kickstarting was the thing of 90s. So hi guys, Big Bang Biker here. So I hadn't expected so many of you to follow me and appreciate my content in such a nice way. So thanks a lot for 10k subscribers. So I thought, you know, since past 4 months I have been working very hard with my friends to get a hold of this stock RX and HD which I just rode. You know, these both will be a different video obviously. Oh my god, 10k subscribers guys, and that's why I wanted to ride these legendary motorcycles and to show you how much really I appreciate your support. And when I ride this legendary motorcycle, right, it's indirectly telling you that I respect you guys a lot. You know, you are making sure a guy's dream is coming true in so many different ways. So please continue to share, subscribe and support. I'll definitely make sure to give you a quality content, right? Yeah, this bike is so light for my body. I'm feeling like I'm riding a cycle actually. The gearing on this bike is similar to any other bike that we have right now. It's one down and the remaining gears are up. This guy has really maintained his bike very nicely and he has kept it stock. He hasn't made any changes to the exhaust or anything. The performance is pure on this bike. Handling is amazing, ground clearance is amazing, the gear shift is damn smooth, the braking is awesome. I guess even in the stock bike, if you want, you can do a wheelie. So let's do an acceleration test on this. So it's so light, you know, see this? This is why people like RX. Whether you downshift or upshift, the bike continues to give you a lot of pleasure, you know. So the fun of riding a two-stroke is always amazing, you know. And I had never ridden a RX 135, and so as I had told, me and my friend Pranav Udupa, we were looking for this bike since 3-4 months, so that, you know, I could make a vlog about this for either 8k special or 10k special. But since at 8k and 9k I had got Benelli 600 high and Z800, I thought riding this legendary motorcycle for a 10k is always the best, right? My friend Pranav is sitting in the pillion seat, and whenever I go to first gear, he is getting scared because this bike is going into a wheelie. Riding this bike again, you can forget, you know, all the worries that you have, just for fun, to go get a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you like as a beverage in the evening. To just go get that, you can go on this bike and you'll have fun, you know. So as I was saying, it's like being on a sofa, completely relaxed, revving and having fun, you know. Today Yamaha decides to launch RX 135 instead of R3. This bike will sell like hotcakes, I'll tell you. People are crazy about this bike, and you can see one right there. So in stock itself, it's so fun, and as I've shown you in a couple of places, this bike can be, you know, modified in any way you want, and still it will look beautiful. I'm not able to control the grin that I have on my face, and I'm not able to vlog at all. I'm just revving this bike around, with my friend as a pillion, and even in second gear sometimes it is trying to pop a wheelie and we both are getting scared. Yeah, this place is perfect for doing any vlog, you know, because we have a very good street lamp over here, and this is the classic RX 135. This is only for city rides, for small rides where you like to go for a cup of coffee or something with your friends. Go there, show off your bike, show off the exhaust that it has, show off the sound that it makes, and you know, just park it right there and people will look at it. I cannot take my eyes off it, you know, it's that beautiful. Thanks a lot, guys. I hope you like this vlog. Do share, like and subscribe, and thanks to Pranav for always being a badass supporter in these cases. He has been really working hard to get this bike for me since 2 months or 3 months, you know. So thanks, bro. Thanks.